In the quiet corners of our minds, there lies a power we often overlook, a power to shape our reality, to draw our deepest desires into existence. It's not magic, it's not wishful thinking, it's a method that taps into the vast potential of our subconscious, allowing us to effortlessly manifest the life we've always dreamed of. You've likely heard about the law of attraction, positive thinking, or vision boards. Maybe you've even given them a try. But for many, these paths to manifestation can feel like trying to force a square peg into a round hole. We strain, we strive, we visualize with every fiber of our being, yet our desires remain just out of reach. Why is that? Well, traditional methods often focus on the conscious mind, on affirmations and visualizations that can feel forced and unnatural. They require constant effort and unwavering belief, a tall order in our busy, often stressful lives. And even with our best intentions, doubts and limiting beliefs can creep in, sabotaging our progress before it even begins. It's like trying to build a house on shaky ground. No matter how beautiful the blueprint, if the foundation isn't solid, the structure won't stand. Similarly, if our subconscious isn't aligned with our conscious desires, our efforts at manifestation are likely to crumble. Traditional methods can also be confusing, with conflicting advice and a focus on complex techniques that can leave us feeling overwhelmed and discouraged. We're told to let go and surrender, yet we're also expected to maintain laser-focused attention on our goals. It's a paradox that can lead to frustration and a sense of failure. The truth is, manifestation isn't about forcing or striving. It's not about endless affirmations or trying to trick the universe into giving us what we want. It's about alignment, about creating harmony between our conscious and subconscious minds. It's about tapping into the natural flow of abundance that's always available to us. And that's where this method comes in. It offers a simple yet powerful way to bridge the gap between our conscious desires and our subconscious beliefs. It's a gentle, intuitive approach that works with the natural rhythms of our minds, allowing us to manifest with ease and grace. So if you've struggled with traditional manifestation methods, if you've felt frustrated, confused, or disheartened, know that there's a different way. A way that doesn't require constant effort or unwavering belief. A way that works with your mind, not against it. Imagine a path through a lush forest winding gently through the trees, sunlight dappling the leaves. It's not a steep climb, nor a race to the finish line. It's a leisurely stroll, a journey of discovery and delight. This is the essence of the method we're about to explore. It's a method that recognizes the wisdom of your subconscious mind, the vast reservoir of creativity and potential that lies beneath the surface of your everyday thoughts. Instead of battling against your subconscious, this method invites you to collaborate with it, to harness its power for your own good. It's a method that's rooted in simplicity. There are no complex rituals, no endless affirmations to repeat. Instead, you'll learn a few straightforward techniques that can be easily incorporated into your daily life. It's not about adding more to your to-do list, but about finding moments of quiet reflection, of connecting with your inner wisdom. The effectiveness of this method lies in its ability to bypass the critical faculties of your conscious mind, those inner voices of doubt and skepticism. By working directly with your subconscious, you can plant the seeds of your desires deep within, where they can take root and flourish. Think of it like planting a garden. You wouldn't expect a seed to sprout overnight, nor would you constantly dig it up to check on its progress. You'd simply plant it, water it, and trust in the natural process of growth. This method works in a similar way, allowing your desires to unfold organically, without force or struggle. It's a method that honors your unique individuality. There's no one-size-fits-all approach here. You'll be encouraged to explore your own inner landscape, to discover what resonates with you, what brings you joy and fulfillment. This isn't about conforming to someone else's idea of success, but about creating a life that's authentically yours. The beauty of this method is that it's not just about manifesting material possessions or specific outcomes. It's about cultivating a deeper sense of connection with yourself, with your intuition, with the universe. It's about discovering your own innate power to create and manifest the life you truly desire. So if you're ready to step off the treadmill of struggle and onto a path of ease and flow, if you're ready to unlock the full potential of your subconscious mind, then this method is for you. It's a gentle invitation to explore a new way of being, a way that aligns with your inner wisdom and allows your desires to blossom effortlessly. It's a method that's both profound and practical, a way to create real, lasting change in your life. It's not a quick fix, but a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. And as you go on this journey, you'll find that the power to manifest your dreams is not something outside of you, but something that's been within you all along. At its core, this method is about communication. It's about opening a dialogue with the vast, often untapped wisdom of your subconscious mind. You see, your subconscious is like a powerful computer, processing information far beyond the capacity of your conscious awareness. It holds the keys to your deepest desires, your limiting beliefs, and your innate potential for creation. But how do we communicate with this hidden part of ourselves? This method uses a simple yet profound technique to bypass the chatter of your conscious mind and access the deeper layers of your being. Through guided relaxation and visualization, you'll enter a state of heightened receptivity, where your subconscious is more open to suggestion and transformation. In this state, you'll be guided to connect with your inner wisdom, to ask questions, and receive answers. You'll learn to identify and release limiting beliefs that may be holding you back, and you'll discover the true desires of your heart, the dreams that your soul longs to manifest. This method isn't about bypassing your conscious mind altogether. It's about creating a harmonious partnership between your conscious and subconscious, a collaboration that allows you to manifest your desires with ease and grace. Preparation. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, allowing your body to relax. Guided relaxation. Follow a simple guided relaxation exercise to quiet your mind and deepen your connection with your subconscious. This might involve focusing on your breath, visualizing a peaceful scene, or listening to calming music. Connecting with your subconscious. Once you're relaxed, imagine yourself in a safe, comfortable space, a place where you feel completely at ease. This could be a familiar setting from your past, or a place you create in your imagination. Asking questions and receiving answers. In this safe space, begin to ask your subconscious questions about your desires, your challenges, or anything else that's on your mind. Trust that the answers will come, whether through images, feelings, or intuitive knowing. Incorporation. As you receive answers, allow yourself to fully experience them. Notice any emotions or sensations that arise. Trust your intuition and allow the wisdom of your subconscious to guide you. This is a simplified overview of the process. The specific steps and techniques may vary depending on your individual needs and preferences. But the core principle remains the same: to connect with your subconscious mind, to listen to its wisdom, and to allow it to guide you on your journey of manifestation. Now you might be thinking, this sounds too good to be true. Or perhaps doubts are whispering in your ear, reminding you of past disappointments or failed attempts at manifestation. That's okay. It's natural to have questions and reservations. After all, we've been conditioned to believe that getting what we want requires hard work, sacrifice, and a bit of luck. The idea that we can simply ask and receive can feel foreign, even uncomfortable. But what if those doubts are simply old programs running in the background of your mind? What if they're not the truth, but simply echoes of past experiences or societal conditioning. This method invites you to challenge those doubts, to examine them with curiosity and compassion. Are they serving you? Are they helping you move towards your desires? Or are they holding you back, keeping you stuck in old patterns? Recall that you have the power to choose your beliefs. You can choose to believe in lack and limitation, or you can choose to believe in abundance and possibility. And as you begin to work with this method, you'll find that your beliefs will naturally shift and evolve, aligning with your newfound sense of empowerment. One of the most powerful aspects of this method is its ability to help you identify and release limiting beliefs. Through the process of connecting with your subconscious, you can uncover those hidden blocks that may be sabotaging your efforts. Once you bring them to light, you can gently release them, making space for new, empowering beliefs to take root. As you become more familiar with this method, you'll discover that its applications extend far beyond simply manifesting material possessions. It can be a powerful tool for healing old wounds, improving relationships, and fostering personal growth. By communicating with your subconscious, you can access the root causes of physical and emotional pain, allowing you to release them and experience profound healing. You can also gain insights into your relationships, understanding the dynamics at play, and finding new ways to connect with others. This method can also support you on your journey of self-discovery, helping you uncover your passions, talents, and purpose. By tapping into your inner wisdom, you can gain clarity on your path, making choices that are aligned with your highest good. In essence, this method is a gateway to your full potential. It's a way to access the wisdom, creativity, and power that reside within you. And as you continue to explore its possibilities, you'll find that it can transform every aspect of your life, leading you to a place of greater joy, fulfillment, and abundance. The path to manifestation is not a distant dream, but a journey that begins within. It's a gentle unfolding, a dance between your conscious desires and your subconscious wisdom. By learning to communicate with the depths of your being, you open the door to a world of possibilities. So take that first step, try this method, explore its depths, see what unfolds when you allow your subconscious mind to guide you. If this video has sparked your curiosity or resonated with your spirit, share your thoughts below. Let us know what you discover on your journey. And if you're ready to look deeper, stay tuned for more insights and guidance. Tap that like button and subscribe for future videos. Your journey to effortless manifestation starts now.